In a world where survival is the only game, one must know the basics. Today, we're diving into the essential life skill of purifying water using homemade elements. Picture this. A global apocalypse has occurred. Clean water isn't on tap, but it's crucial for your survival. How do you proceed? Simple. You make your own clean water. Find a container, any container, fill it with questionable water. Now grab a cloth, a shirt, or any fabric you can spare. Use it as a makeshift filter, removing the visible dirt and particles. Next, you'll need something metallic, a pot or a can. Pour your filtered water into it. Start a fire. Boil the water. Boiling kills most pathogens, making the water safer to drink. Last step, let it cool. Patience is key here. Once it's safe to touch, you've got yourself drinkable water. Remember, survival isn't about strength, it's about smarts. Stay prepared, stay alive. Enjoyed this life-saving tip? Subscribe to Apocalyptic Live and hit that like button. We're here providing survival skills for any scenario. Until next time, stay vigilant and stay safe.